In what is being perceived as great news, hospitals in Gurgaon have received permission from the State Health Department to set up COVID-19 vaccination camps on office premises from the 1st of April, a shot in the arm for hundreds of Indian and global companies headquartered in the city that can get eligible employees inoculated against the virus. Our correspondent Sukirti Dwivedi is currently at the unit of car manufacturing company Toyota, where Medanta has set up its vaccination camp. Sukirti, what details can you share with us at the moment?
Well, yes, first we'd like to give our viewers a sense of how these vaccination camps look like. So this is one entire hall that has been set up by Toyota at its unit MGF Toyota here in Gurgaon, and as you can see, this is the place where the vaccination is being carried out. The outer area, this place that you see, is the registration desk. There are a lot of these employees that are sitting in queue. There's an official ahead of us that is carrying out the registration process. This entire, all the health official teams here is from Medanta Medicity. There are many doctors from their teams as well. At least 15 to 16 of their staff is here to carry out the entire vaccination process. And also, if there are any health emergencies, there's also an ambulance that is stationed outside in case of there are any health emergencies. So everything being taken care of. Toyota helping its employees by holding this camp, and Medanta carrying out the entire implementation of that initiative, and many such camps are being held. I have some officials here with me to give us a greater sense of how all of this is being carried out. First, we'll speak to Mr. D.T. Nayak. He's the CEO of MGF Toyota. Sir, first question to you. How did you decide to, get all of this done, and why was it important to have all your employees vaccinated at the earliest?
Yeah, it is. First of all, I would like to thank Medanta, healthcare, Medanta Hospital and District Administration, and my promoter, Mr. Gupta. He is very employee oriented, and we were looking. We were planning to have, vaccinate all our employees since. They have been here and working with us. So we wanted, all the employees and their family need to be vaccinated.
We also have Mr. Rajesh Akhun. He's the sales head for corporate division at Medanta. Sir, we'd like to know from you, how do you carry out this? How do you work out the logistics of setting it up? Because this is not a hospital and this is a medical, there could medical issues that might possibly happen. So how do you take care of all of that?
See, this community reach program has been from the inception of the Medanta. This is the dream project of our CMD sir, Dr. Naresh Trehan. So these guidelines already we are following in the different occasions whenever we get a chance to reach to the people. This time, as for the COVID is concerned, and during the COVID time also, we provided the people to the home quarantine also. That services also we provided. So we were well equipped as per the trained staff is concerned, whether it's a nursing, doctors, and roughly we dedicate to each camp roughly 16 to 17 people. They are the different specialty people, and we keep our ambulance ready for any eventuality, and usually everything goes well as far the things are concerned, and we hope that everything are being followed, and we follow as per the protocol of the district administration.
Right.
So that
one last voice we'll get to know from officials from the Toyota unit itself. How difficult or easy was it to coordinate with the Gurgaon health authorities in terms of organizing such camps? So please introduce yourself and let us know how did you coordinate with the government about this?
I'm Kanal Dayal. I'm the Vice President here at MGF Toyota. Our first choice was to get in touch with the government authorities here, but unfortunately because of the workload that they were having, so they gave us a slot, but it was about 2 weeks later. So, but we wanted this this COVID vaccination for our employees at the earliest. So Medanta is on our panel, so it was very easy to coordinate with the Medanta, and we just spoke to them. We coordinated in the last week of April, the day government announced that from 1st April above 45 years employee can also get vaccinated. So because of that, we didn't had any challenge as such, because Medanta, they are, as said, very proactive, and they are on our panel.
Right. Thank you, sir, for speaking to us. So here, this is how you see both Toyota and Medanta coming together and making special efforts to ensure that there is no delay in such vaccination camps. And just when it opened up for people above 45, there are these employees who are being vaccinated here.